Hello, this is Dwight Norris of fishingatwork.com. Here on another day in the Charles River, same as yesterday, but a little further down. Just wanted to talk about a few things. First of which, I just saw a father and son fishing on the other side where I caught that, well, I didn't catch it, but I snagged that carp at one time and they had a bass. Probably about 1 or 2 pounds. Awesome. Dad was using a worm, son was using a bobber and something under it. He was snagged when I got by. You know, horrible times, taking snagged. But anyway, I'm still hooked up with my Eagle Claw packet, and I'm still using my Berkeley Power Worm. It's still there. The one I just tied on, it wasn't yesterday, it was a couple days ago. 1 or 2. So today I'll be doing some more fishing, but I want to talk a little bit about what I'm going to be doing in the next 10 days. I'm actually going to be doing a little family trip. We're driving down to Virginia, and I'll see some friends and family, and I'm going to be doing some fishing as well. I'll be fishing off of a boat for catfish. I may or may not videotape that, but I'll at least talk about it. I'll have some pictures up. I'll make a nice little blog post and show you what's going on, how it went, why we're catching things, etc., etc., etc. And then I'll be staying at another place where I'll maybe try to go out on a pier for the day if it's not like the sun's like burning me up, and see what I can catch on the ocean if I can get there quickly enough. I haven't done any research, which I will probably do tonight, and figure out where I can go fishing there and get it done. Maybe I'll go to a lake, maybe I'll go to a pond, but probably definitely go to the ocean because my son hasn't fished on the ocean, and all he's really seen, well, he's been to the ocean, but he hasn't actually fished at the ocean, and it takes longer using live bait. And I'm gonna try to stick to like smaller fish directly below the pier. Nothing special like kingfish or whatever else is out there. Big blues. If they come by and snag a clam or something, awesome. If not, cool. So that's what I'll be doing. Oh, and after that, I'll be going to my friend's house, which actually lives in a stream near Richmond, and there's some cool stuff there. There's some nice fish to be caught in just a foot of water or less. And you can do some cool kayaking, and we'll see what we can catch there as well. Maybe I'll borrow a fly fishing kit and see if I can not hook myself. I'm working on getting my own right now. So let's get to fishing before time is up. So I haven't had much luck in the local ponds with the lily pads and the shade, even though I saw that the guy catch one on the worm. Maybe I should switch over to my trick worm, which I just got in the mail yesterday. Oh yeah, if you do get those, make sure you get the black and the pumpkin seed, or pumpkin seed green. And I've been trying to aim the other side, which most people don't fish. It's obviously the sunny side. It's 93 degrees today. It's humid. My back is all sweaty, and I'm kind of aiming toward these tiny little patches of lily pads. It might be something under there, and really nobody fishes this side. They go on the other side with the lily pads are bigger, and maybe there's more bass, maybe they're overfished. And there's one more ahead of me, and I'm gonna just walk over in that direction and see if I can catch something there, or if anything's there. I was just looking down a minute ago, right before I cast it, and a little baby turtle popped up. It's about 4 or 5 inches long. As soon as I made a move toward him, boom, the opposite direction, straight down. Gotta stay safe. So there's a lot of geese around here, and geese make goose poop, and it's not good when it gets on your shoes, but it's not the smelliest thing. So yeah, it looks like a circular lake section here, as you can see. I'm just walking around the rim here, but it's really just a part of the Esplanade, which is just a side stream that goes in, and then it goes down about, I don't know, it's about a mile, and then it pops back out again right before it reaches the main river, which is just before it actually goes under a closable bridge where it reaches the ocean, which is Boston Harbor. Bass will go all the way up to the brackish water. They don't really care. They almost turn into striped bass. So right here, there's a pretty significant lily pad patch, almost in the middle of this little section, which is very hard to reach from the other side, but from this side it's possible. See here? Like, look how far that is. Can I guess how far with this Eagle Claw packet? Yes, now that I have a 5/8 ounce Texas style bullet weight on, and I'm gonna see if there's something hiding under there. Most likely it's a carp, but there's bass in these waters, and I'm gonna give it a whirl. So let's see if I can just prop this up on this piece of grass here. Without making my phone fall in the water, because there's nothing stopping it. So it'd be foolish. If this is an iPhone 7, I think you can see something here. You do go in the water, I'm coming after it. There's got to be something out there. It's so hot out here. I'm actually close to the high. Get to the official spot trying to stay cool. Come on, baby. Down to it. 18 times longer than normal. After that, when I get back from the vacation, I'm going to switch over from using this kind of work. Something else, maybe some spare baits. It's moving, it's flashy, there's a lot of shad type things in here. As you've already seen, we do love it. Bluegill, all of the bass, all of the striped bass. That's the thing. It's a worm. Are there worms? Yes. Are there a ton of them? Maybe. The fish like them better than shad type baits? Probably not. But what else though? Exact same spot. I'm moving right now, so it's actually moving my bait a lot more than I wanted to when I started making small. Big or not. Some things you need to know. Oh, look at that. MIT sailboat. Hook is still embedded. Looks good. back, I gotta hit up the old food truck. I still have time to do. Let's get some food. I actually don't even think I brought up the ability. Actually, no, I didn't. I actually talked about using food trucks. It's a quick way to get food. Not after, usually before you go fishing, but I think it's better to go after. You can always stop later, but it's better just to have your own food. I've been talking for a while. I'm not sure you even heard me, but I was just talking about food. I'm gonna go to the food truck. They got a delicious pizza. It's got lots of pork products on it, and it's just delicious. And I'm gonna get some. I have time to walk back. I have time to order it. I have time to receive it and get back to the office on time. So that's what I'm gonna do. But also, other than that, I've noticed that I've been using a lot of lures lately, and maybe I should go back to live bait. But not quite. I still have a few more things I want to try out. And I still have to purchase some spinner baits, some different crankbaits. I have to get that spinner jig back. There's those big brush jigs. You know, I can get into right in the center of that thing with that, but there might be crawfish in here. Maybe they would enjoy eating that. But I think I want to stick more to the minnows and what those have to offer around here, since there's a lot of minnow type not baits. What am I thinking? There's lots of minnows here, and shad, and other forms of bait fish. That's the word. Bait fish around here that all the fish eat. So I'm gonna focus more on that. I'm not gonna get my own live ones because they're just hard to maintain. You gotta set them in water. You gotta make sure they have the right oxygen levels, and you just can't let that sit under your office desk. It's a little weird. So, walking back steadily. Try not to sweat too much. Oh yeah, by the way, you notice? Look at this. I'm wearing a striped bass shirt. Why? I rode my bike to work today and I forgot my shirt. So, this is the way it is. Nobody seems to mind too much. Tomorrow I go on vacation. Nobody's in vacation mode. Whatever. I'm here. I'm fishing. I'm having fun. Now it's time for you to go. Go fishing.